So today we are talking about how to build your brand, that is personal brand in 2021. So having your personal brand is very important, like in 2021 and before that as well. So what is a personal brand? According to in simple words, it is marketing yourself and also your career as a brand. Okay. So if you see, even if you have like million followers and if you're, you know, uh, if people doesn't know about you, it will not make sense. So the best known will always beat the best. So you should be proactive in promoting yourself, and also you should be present on all platforms, especially like which platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, which are professional platforms. Then if you see over here, if you search for your name on Google, like if you can see like my website is ranking on the first, then comes the LinkedIn and other platforms afterwards. So having your personal website and your own email is very important. Even if you're having your own business and the website, that is different, but having your own website and also having your own personal brand will take you will you can make many things like because of that. Elon Musk and Steve Jobs are great examples for that. And then comes like, if you see, growing a personal brand, online presence comes first. That is like on the social media platforms. Let's say like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. What are the platforms that works for you? Like be present over there. Master one platform. If you are going in that platform, like that is well and good. Uh, you should know, like people should know about it, like that you exist in particular platform. Even if you have some less followers, it's okay, but have give some value, and then have your own website and own email list as well. So don't be at the mercy of social media platforms. If you see Facebook, even if you have million likes and million followers, that is decreasing, the Facebook is decreasing the reach as of now, and you are spending like money to reach out to people and reach out to more people. So having your own website and email list, like it will solve the problem, so that like you can reach out to your own tribe or own email list, own followers, like whenever you want. So you don't have to be at the mercy of social media platform, which may uh, block you or ban you in the future. So having online presence like will give 10x of like what you're doing right now. Then comes a niche, like have your own niche. Like if you're having, if you are a market consultant, figure like you can't cater to everyone. Figure out like what is your strength and cater to people. If you see general physician or surgeon, like who will be getting uh, paid more. It's surgeon, right? Always be a specialist, and in the coming in the coming days you will be known, and also you can charge premium. So, and your impact is measured not by the money but by the value you provide uh, in the world. So you should give value, and also riches or niches, like are in niches. If you are not having like targeted niche, and if you are catering to everyone, it will not make sense, and probably you will not become successful. Then other thing with third is content. Right, content is very important. If you see, content is king, and first research about content, and also talk about what they want to hear. Don't talk about random things like which will not make any sense. And if you don't know how to write research, take you know uh, examples from your competitors, or you have so many platforms like BuzzSumo, Answer the Public, Google Auto Suggest, and blogs. Like there are many platforms you can Google and you can get the data. But what it is important, you have to start. Execution is very important. If you are not starting, you will be at the same place. So 2021 is, it's all about content. It's all about creators. So start doing content. Then comes the fourth one, which is like publish ebooks. So I know, like even if you are not an expert, no one is an expert, so research about it, and do people pay for the organized content. Even if you are not expert, like research it, take time and write about it, like write about the topic which you think like you know too much about it. And also you can hire ghostwriters as well, they who will write for you. And how to write, like write a outline of the chapters, and design your ebook and convert it to the PDF and publish it. You can give it for free as a lead magnet to your audience, or you can charge very less, like $100 or $200, and then take it from there. So there are tools as well, designer.io and other tools where you can create your own ebooks. So if you don't have time, uh, pay other people who are available on the market, and write ask them to write for you, and that will be the best thing you ever do. Because wherever your book goes, like you'll be having your brand name, your personal brand goes to them. And if it is adding value, then there is nothing like that, like you build your personal brand as well with that ebook. Then craft the brand mission statement is very important. Like who are you, like how you will help, and what is your mission. Like it's not like you're helping everyone, you don't know what you're doing with your life. So you should have something like helping people, or helping like a number which defines like what are the people you are helping them, and how you are helping them. So example, like I want to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to get leads on LinkedIn. That's my mission statement. The same goes for everything. Having a mission statement will solve the problem as well. So you don't have to think too much other things. Like you just have to focus on your mission statement and move forward. Create your tribe. Even like if you see over here, like even if you have followers, like 10,000 followers, 1 lakh followers, and they are not buying from you, like that doesn't make any sense. So you should have your own tribe, like own fans and own super fans, like who will buy whatever the stuff you will promote in your group or in your tribe. So that is very important, having your own tribe, like who not only reads your content, follow you on our social media, and also buys most of your stuff, that is most of your premium products, or most of the like things what you are selling them, providing value. Expand your, if you see your network is your network, like start reaching out to the potential prospects, potential like collaborators, like where you can reach out to them. And also there are so many platforms, LinkedIn, like you can reach out to any decision maker of the company. Facebook, use any particular platform, do cold email as well, but your objective is simple: network. Even if you're collaborating, you are not losing anything out of it. It should be a win-win situation. Make it will also help you in getting invited in podcasts as well. You're probably increasing your brand value as well by collaborating with people. So you're losing nothing on it. So money is in the follow-up, like follow up and reach out to more people. And here the law of average works. If you are reaching 1,000 people, 100 people may reply and 10 people will convert as like clients or like collaborators. Do anything so that like you build your brand and get leads. At the end of run, it's not about like you are not doing anything. Even if you're making some progress, that is good. Like you're not making money, but you're building brand over the long run. So don't think like only money making is only the initiative, or the you know or the ultimate outcome of any meeting or stuff. Like just start collaboration. Like if you see, collaboration is the thing in 2021. So start doing that, and also reach out to more people. So here, like create, if you see in 2020, because of the lockdown, like I can see there are more creators in YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn as well. People are creating content and people are consuming like never before. And it has happened because of the corona, like everybody is working from home. And if you see influencer marketing is also booming. It's the best time to create content, create videos. Start from now. Even if you're like noob, start doing things. Like over the time you will get expertise. No one is no one is an expert when starting. So start creating, doing content. And also if you don't have time, like as I told you, like hire people who will do it for you, so you will save time over there. And blogging, having your own blog is like very important. Having your own thoughts, so that people will see, like they will get back to your website or your own blog. And also like you can get them into your email list, and then probably like talk to them. It will not happen through Facebook or LinkedIn, where you have to talk to a large number of people. you can talk, but if it is email, you have the data, you can talk to them anytime. Social media platforms, I don't suggest. Having your own website and blog is very important, and be authentic and talk about your experience, because people will connect to stories, and they will trust you if you're authentic. And as I told you, like, it's a brand on LinkedIn, this is like the most important thing, and you should do it, like start doing it. And still now, like, nobody, very less people use LinkedIn, and it is a gold mine for B2B businesses. Like, if you see, there are like, if you want to reach out to decision maker of any company, this is the platform. You can email them, you can reach out to them through message. Like, there are endless opportunities. Like, I have seen many startups like get so much revenue and also build a business because of this wonderful platform. Start creating content, and you'll definitely get leads, and also you will probably convert them. And so so last thing, like, you are your personal brand. If people doesn't know you, that will not make any sense. You have business, but it's well and good, but if you don't have a personal brand, personal website, definitely you will regret in the future not having your own website and brand, also not doing content. Start doing now. And if you want any help, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. It's Shiva Dudigama. Thank you guys, thank you for having me over here. Thank you.